Alright, it's on.
That's close.
Was it scary?
It's fast.
That's it, dude. You're out of here.
Big leaf's the way to go.
Let's put that down. We'll try. I think we're out of air, though.
I don't know.
I'm kind of regretting going out here now. That is so fast.
Should probably chrono that.
I have chrono.
How
Chrono's
fast?
about 230. Rules are under 280. This thing airs up at 200 psi. Chrono's about 230. Shoots about 100, 125 yards.
Well, there's 230 plus the mass. It's got art.
Maybe I should turn my back to it. Ah, come on.
That's it. It's just gonna be a half fire.
Dude, that thing comes at you
Fully
fast.
air up.
You can come a little closer. Oh, don't worry, it's only half air.
Well, it's only half full, man. It's only at 100.
Not taking any
Go ahead and
chances.
hit him this time, dude. Don't miss. This is for all the money.
Oh!
And that didn't look like half air. Do you have another rocket? I don't think you got enough air for another one. We got a lot of shots out of this tank. You got another rocket or not? No?
Yes.
Got one
All
now.
right, let's try one more.
Come a little closer.
The gauge only went up to about 100 on that one. I think he's out of air. We'll see.
You took a step closer, that works. Carter, you're having too much fun with this.
Matt's the only one that even hit a target.
I'll be
Besides
blowing
you,
my
you hit the
money
middle
on
target.
Yeah, that was
So-
one.
Yeah, always put down safety. He's doing pretty good with that.
Yeah. Come on, Carter. You know you can hit him.
Air up, air up. I want to shoot him.
Doesn't have enough pressure. It's just leaking right through.
Oh.
It's done, dude. Go ahead and try it, though. See if you've got anything. Nope, done. Okay, we're done.
I'm a seagull bringing my mark.